Steel Fist getting ready. Steel Fist charging to the fray. Now shooting his laser rifle. Hostile trying to dodge. Hostile responding back. And Hostile, he's going to shoot his missiles. Ooh, shooting more missiles. Charging to the fray. And now Steel Fist jumping to the sides, trying to avoid Hostile's onslaught. Steel Fist jumping to the side again. What's Steel Fist gonna try to do now? Now that Hostile's keeping on the pressure. Ooh, yeah. Now Hostile floating on. Steel Fist dancing. Ooh, and now more missiles. Hostile charging again. Oh, and now Steel Fist trying to put on the laser pod. And Steel Fist wins.